Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we are doing a crane tutorial for normal people. I might be doing another one with people as sweats, but not right now. He's a little busy today. So let's do our normal people crane tutorial. Woohoo, yeah. Alright, we need bow, daggers, scythe, and grenade. These are a little pricey if you're just started out the game, but I mean, grow enough and you could probably get there. First step, get onto this ledge here, or if you're on the other side, hold on. Start from here and get to over here. You could grenade jump here or over there. So let's go where I spawned first. Here. Get out your grenade, hold like I taught you in the movement videos, and jump when it gets close to you. Double jump, and now you are on the crane. From here, you can snipe things like a boss, an enemy, so on and so forth. Heck, you don't even need a bow, just like any weapon and fists and grenade to get up here. But if you want to get up here, you need this exact item set. You can't really have anything else. Okay, let's go first. First here, grenade jump. Oh shoot, I messed it up. Oh no. No. You know, even I forget how to do these sometimes. Okay. Oh, okay. So just try to face where you think you would be good. Or jump off, do your dash, and now you are on the crane. Very easy things here, you know. Heck, I could probably just use anything here, but I mean, you know. Like, I could use AR, daggers, scythe, and grenade to get up here. Maybe sniper, I'm not sure, but let's try something else here. When it comes around, I'm going to try to get on the blimp today. I have never tried it before, but I want to try it. I don't know if it's recommended. I don't know if it's even a possible strategy. Let's see. Okay, you could get up on here. Let's see if you can actually go around the whole way. Oh no, oh god, oh no, oh gosh, I never tried this before. What is going on? I think there's like the invisible border here. Oh gosh. Well then. The answer is unfortunately no. You cannot go around the whole map. You could go around most of it, but I mean, that's really it by then. Let's try that again. Hold on. Oh shoot, I messed it up. Wait. Scary. Alright. Should be there. I think I could just grenade jump over there. Do you think? Wait, let's see. Oh, I made it on, but I'm like latching onto it. Oh, no, no, no. No. Oh. I guess you can't, but that's it for the crane tutorial. I might upload an advanced one later, but my friend's kind of busy, so let's not do that for now.